Hello all, myself Ms.Mithra.B, Assistant Professor at Department of Commerce, Digital Marketing and Data Mining at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about valuation of goodwill in this series. First thing, meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is the excess of purchase price over fair market, which means it is the purchasing price of the fair market value of the company's net asset during the acquisition. This is known as goodwill in short. This difference represents non-physical assets such as brand reputations, intellectual properties and customer loyalties, etc. In essence, goodwill is the price paid for this intangible benefit. Yes, of course, goodwill is an intangible asset and it is benefit that contribute to the company's ability to generate profit. So this is known as meaning of goodwill in valuation. The next thing is importance of goodwill. Reflect business reputation. Goodwill represent a company's positive reputation, which can lead to customer loyalty and increase the sales, etc. The next important of goodwill is influences acquisition and mergers. What does mean by influences acquisition and mergers means goodwill often plays a critical role in M&A as acquiring companies as willing to pay more than the book value of the asset for established goodwill, which means influences acquisition and merger means it pays more than the book value of the asset for the established goodwill. So this is known as influencer acquisition. But in the sense of reflect business reputation, goodwill represent company's positive reputation, which means positive reputations towards goodwill, which can lead to customer loyalty and also it increases sales. These are the importance of goodwill. The next importance is impact financial health. How it impacts financial health, which means as an intangible assets on the balance sheet, goodwill can affect financial ratios and valuations and also impacting investors and lender decisions. So it is one of the importance. And next thing is contribute to long-term growth. Of course, goodwill supports business longevity through brand loyalty, customer relationship and employee satisfaction, leading to steady cash flow, which means it contribute long-term growth. Yes, of course, goodwill contribute long-term growth. In how ways? Which means goodwill support business through brand loyalty. Yes, of course, it supports through brand loyalty, and customer relationship also plays a major role in that, and employee satisfaction and leading to steady cash flow. Yes, of course, it leading to steady cash flow. These are the importance of goodwill. The next thing is features of goodwill. What are the features of goodwill? Intangible nature, which means goodwill lacks a physical form and cannot be sold or separated independently from the business. In this case, we have to note the point that goodwill lacks a physical form, which means that cannot sold or separated independently from the business. It cannot be separated independently from its business. It is known as features of goodwill. The next feature is longevity. What is longevity? Notes that goodwill can provide benefit over many years. Yes, of course, it provides for many years, reflecting the nature of brand reputation and customer loyalty. Okay, longevity through brand reputation and customer loyalty. The next point is valuation complicity. Goodwill is difficult to quantify because it combines various intangible factors like brand, customer relationship and employee skills, etc. These are the main features of goodwill. The next feature is subject to impairment. Subject to impairment, which means goodwill must be tested annually for impairment. However, means which occurs if the fair market value of the asset declines to other assets that are depreciated. This is known as subject to impairment of goodwill. It is also considered as one of the major features of goodwill. In this lecture video, we saw about meaning of goodwill, the next thing is importance of goodwill, reflect business reputation, influencer acquisition, etc. Features of goodwill. Thank you.